Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about these mandrels. I got a question about these on my Instagram. I got a question about these from Scott Kershaw at Cutthroat Woodworks. Be sure to go check him out. So I'm going to do a video kind of about how these work and what I use them for. So let's get started. I use these mandrels when I'm making birdhouse ornaments. These are just a fun little project. You can make them out of whatever you want, any size you want. So to start out, I have two different size mandrels. This one here is for doing the top of the birdhouse. This is for doing the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and mount this one on. They both work exactly the same. Okay, so what this consists of, this is a threaded rod, and then this piece of wood here is threaded on the inside to fit the spindle on my lathe. And then this piece here, this is I've turned down to 1 1/8 inch, and then we've cut slots in it this way. And on the end of the threaded rod, there's a cone. So when it slides in and it pulls back, it pulls these out and expands into the piece. So for instance, like with this bottom here that I'm working with, I can stick that on there, and then there is a knob that goes on the other end. It's the same, has a nut that's the same size as the bolt. When you tighten this down, it expands this end over here and holds it on the lathe. I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works. So you just slide it on like this, and then thread it onto your lathe. Okay, and I have both of these mandrels. They have different ends. This is a knob I bought, and then this one's just a piece of scrap wood that I turned, and then I put a nut on the inside that would accept this, because I didn't want to buy another one of these. So then you tighten this down here. So as you can see, this is spinning freely right now, but if we tighten this down, okay, so I tighten down on the knob over here on this end. So just tighten it down, and then this is on there nice and securely, and then you can just go ahead and turn your piece to whatever you want it to look like. And then afterwards, what I do is I drill a hole in it and then stick a toothpick in for the perch. So I'm going to go ahead and turn a top for you guys real quick, just so you guys can see this in action. So this is just a piece that glued up. It's just a piece of walnut and alder with 1 1/4 inch hole drilled in it. So after you've turned these, you make a little lip here, and then that slides over the top of this after you've turned this, and then you just glue them together. So as you can see, this one here I turned it a little too small. And so I've got some sandpaper on this one for adding a little extra grip to it. So just push that on, and then you can start turning. You can turn with the tailstock up. I prefer not to use the tailstock when I'm doing these, because it leaves a dimple in the end. I don't have any with a small point on it, so I just turn without the tailstock, and I haven't really had a problem unless I'm turning a real long finial. I usually like to turn stuff like this fairly fast. I like turning fast. I'm going to bring my tool rest around over here, lower this down a little bit. You want this so that the tip of the tool is right at the center of the piece. so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit the like button and share it with everybody you know. Also be sure to hit the subscribe button so that way you can see whenever I post new videos. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram so you can see what else I'm working on. And be sure to check out some of the links down below. I will have links to some of the products I use. So if you want to help support my channel, please be sure to go check those out. If you have any other suggestions for videos that I should do, please be sure to let me know down in the comments below. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.